You know that feeling, right? You're standing in the grocery checkout line, watching your items get scanned one by one, and suddenly this massive wave of anxiety just hits you. You're standing there, fumbling through your wallet, wondering, do I actually have enough benefits on my card to cover this last gallon of milk or this bag of apples? It is a completely relatable feeling, and honestly, it usually just stems from simply not knowing your exact balance. But what if I told you that you could eliminate that stress entirely, right from the smartphone you're probably holding right now? Welcome to This Explainer. I am absolutely thrilled to guide you through this today. We are going to take a process that has historically been, frankly, pretty cumbersome and stressful, and we're going to transform it into a streamlined digital breeze. Today, we're focusing on the Vermont WIC program, and specifically, we'll look at exactly how to check your balance and manage your benefits seamlessly on your phone. Okay, let's dive right into this. Here is our quick step-by-step roadmap for today. We'll start with a welcome to Vermont WIC, move on to setting up your phone, checking your WIC balance, troubleshooting and getting help, app features and pro tips, and wrap up with some important reminders and updates. So Section 1, Welcome to Vermont WIC. Before we get into all the tech stuff, let's just take a quick moment to ground ourselves in what this program actually is and how it supports our communities. So, WIC stands for the Special Supplemental Nutrition Program for Women, Infants, and Children. In Vermont, it's really designed to support families during those absolutely crucial early years. This includes pregnant, postpartum, and breastfeeding parents, as well as children up to age 5. Foster parents and guardians can also apply for the kids in their care. And what's incredibly helpful here is that if you're already receiving certain state benefits, things like Medicaid, Dr. Dinosaur, 3 Squares VT, SNAP, or ReachUp, you are automatically income eligible to join WIC. But the impact of this program goes way beyond just the ledger of numbers on a screen. Take it from Monica, a Vermont WIC parent, who shared, "It expands our food budget a little bit more each month. The WIC benefits are setting my kids up for healthy development and just healthy, happy lives." That financial and emotional relief, that is exactly what WIC is built for. Our goal today is to make accessing that relief as simple as possible. And the value provided is substantial. To put that into perspective, did you know that breastfeeding individuals can receive up to $49 a month specifically for fresh, frozen, or canned fruits and vegetables? And that's on top of all the other staples you get, like milk, cheese, whole grains, and infant formula. It literally expands a family's food budget in a major way. All right, moving on to Section 2, Setting up your phone. Now that we're clear on the benefits, let's shift gears and look at the preliminary step, which is turning your smartphone into the ultimate WIC management tool. Remember the old way of doing this? For years, tracking your balance meant hoarding your last paper store receipt and just hoping you didn't lose it under the car seat before your next trip. Or you had to go wait in line at the customer service desk to run a balance check before you even started shopping. Well, the new way is a total game changer. It's real-time balance checking right there on your smartphone. To get started, you'll just need to make sure you have an internet connection and then pop open your phone's app store. The Vermont Department of Health recommends 2 main applications for this. You can use either the WIC Shopper app or the EBT Edge mobile app. Both of them are fantastic, but for today's explainer, we're going to look really closely at WIC Shopper, mostly because it's packed with extra features that are tailored perfectly for navigating the grocery store aisles. Let's get into Section 3, Checking your WIC balance. This is the main event of our explainer. We're going to walk through a super clear, sequential tutorial on registering your card and actually checking your benefits. Okay, the crucial point here is to just follow this exact flow to link your card securely. Step 1, download that WIC Shopper app from the Apple App Store or Google Play. Step 2, when you open the app up, it's going to ask you to select your WIC agency. Make sure you scroll through and select Vermont WIC. Step 3, you'll need to register your card by entering the 16-digit EWC card number. You can find that right on the front of your physical card. And finally, Step 4, just look up at the upper right corner of the app's homepage and tap the button that says My Benefits. Boom! Instantly, your current balance downloads right to your screen. It is literally that easy. Now, actually, what if you're someone who prefers not to download yet another app? Or maybe you're completely out of storage space on your phone. Don't worry, you are fully covered. You can still check your balance in real time using a mobile web browser. Just navigate over to ebtedge.us or connectebt.com, select Vermont WIC, and you can log in securely from there. Okay, Section 4, Troubleshooting and Getting Help. Look, we all know technology isn't always perfect. If you hit a snag during setup, or maybe your balance just isn't displaying correctly, don't panic. Help is incredibly easy to reach. This breakdown right here shows exactly who you need to contact based on your specific issue. If you need to activate your card, report it lost or stolen, or check your balance over the phone, you're going to use the 24/7 automated WIC card helpline at 1-855-769-8890. But if you have general questions about the program itself, what foods are eligible, or how to enroll, you'll want to email the health department at wic@vermont.gov or just call their main info line at 800-464-4343. Knowing the right number to call for the right problem saves you a ton of time. Moving right along to Section 5, App Features and Pro Tips. Let's look beyond just checking the balance for a second, because these digital tools do way more than just read out a ledger. The WIC Shopper app is essentially like having a digital assistant right in your pocket. My absolute favorite feature? The barcode scanner. It is a total grocery store life hack. Never again do you have to stand there and guess if a specific box of cereal or a certain brand of juice is approved. You just scan the barcode with your phone's camera, and the app tells you instantly if it's a WIC-eligible food. You can also view the entire Vermont WIC Foods Guide, find some really yummy recipes tailored to WIC ingredients, and even pull up a map to locate authorized grocery stores near you. Which actually brings us to a massive pro tip for optimizing your benefits. Take 5 minutes, literally just 5 minutes, before you even leave your house to open the app, check your exact balance, and map out your grocery list. When you combine your known balance with the app's food guide to make a clear plan, it drastically reduces your stress at the register and ensures you are maximizing every single benefit before they expire at the end of the month. Finally, Section 6, Important Reminders and Updates. As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a couple of final best practices to make sure you are fully equipped for your next grocery run. Here is a tiny detail that makes a really big difference. Inside the WIC Shopper app, right under My Benefits, there's a little date and timestamp. Always check this. It displays the last known update time of your benefits. Taking 2 seconds to verify that stamp gives you the peace of mind to trust that the balance you're looking at is completely current before you start tossing things into your cart. And, of course, just a standard disclaimer here. This explainer provides a complete guide based on the current Vermont WIC information. But, program technologies, app layouts, and benefit amounts can and do evolve over time. So I highly encourage you to verify the details and stay updated by visiting the official resources at healthvermont.gov/WIC. Also, if you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and definitely check out the links in our description for the most up-to-date guidelines and direct links to download the apps. So, I'll leave you with this final thought. How much easier is your next grocery trip going to be now that the power is literally in your hands? No more second guessing in the aisles, no more holding up the checkout line, and for sure, no more crumpled paper receipts. You've got the tools, you have the knowledge, and you are totally ready to shop with confidence. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and happy shopping!